Hi, and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here with a journal cover tutorial, which it's going to be a shaker journal cover. I've never done one before, so I don't know how good of a tutorial this will be, but you can craft along with me and see how my journey goes. So here we go. This is a box that came from Dollarama, and there was this hand cream in there. There was, I don't even know what was in here. Hand cream, lip balm, shea butter. Okay, that's what was in here. So this is one of those, you know, packages where, or kit or whatever. So I was going to throw this away, and then I thought, like, I love the cover of this, the leaves in here and everything. So I'm like, I am going to make a journal cover out of this. So, and then I thought, how can I make it into a shaker? So then I kind of thought about it, and so I got this paper. I really like this side too. But this is not quite big enough. Well, that's not bad. But anyway, I decided I was going to do this side because the design was right and everything, and it fit. So I'm just going to cut or make a mark here where I'm going to cut it. So right here and right there. So that's where I'm going to cut it. And I'm just going to tear it because I don't know, should I just tear it? Because I'm too lazy to get out my cutter. No, I'm going to get out my cutter because I want it to fit. And this is a shaker, so if it's not straight, you know, it will come out and bits will come out everywhere, and I will be sorry that I did not measure exactly. So here and right there. Well, see, that didn't take long at all. Okay, now this can go over here, and this can go over here, and this can go over here. So now we have this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, so what I decided to do was use double-sided tape, and I thought I would kind of double it up to go along here and along there. So I'm just going to cut this off here and go all around and just add the double-sided tape. Now if I have too much, I guess I can just cut it off the sides. Okay, let me just check. If I go right up against here, yeah, it should cover it. Okay, cool. So here, I rarely use this. Okay, this is not double-sided tape. This is foam tape. That's what this is. Not double-sided tape, but it's double-sided foam tape. Yeah, give you the wrong name of something. And there we go. That covers it all around. and make sure there's no spots. Now I'm just going to take off the backing of this one, of this side. Geez, when you see somebody doing it on YouTube, it comes off so easily. Yet when I do it, it doesn't want to. And then it sticks to me and all kinds of stuff. There we go. Billy would like doing this, taking the tape off. He was mad at me. He had to bring me the vacuum. We have Central Vac, and all he had to do was bring me just the vacuum. He thought he would have to vacuum. It was kind of funny. He was not happy. Then he wanted to vacuum. I'm like, no, I will vacuum. You can go play. He was working on a puzzle. I could have gone myself, but trying to teach him that he can help with certain things. So, yeah, I asked him, bring me the vacuum, and he was not very happy with that. Woo, that sticks. Sorry for my head in the shot, probably. There we go. Yeah, this will take care of quite a bit of my tape. That's good. I think it's been sitting around for too long anyway. I don't know if it loses its stickiness, but oh no, this one has not lost any of its stickiness at all. Not at all. Because once it sticks down, it's down for good. So one more here. Have to be careful. There. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm kind of hoping it'll be like a flower bird journal. That's what I'm hoping it will turn out to be. But we'll see. Okay, so I have that. Now, somebody told me to use, one of those static things that you do for embossing, to use that. So, I'm gonna, embossing. Is it embossing? Yes. So just wipe it here so it doesn't stick. So I'm going to do that. And now I got that. And I want to put this butterfly in here. So it's going to be quite dimensional. I don't know. Maybe I might. No, I think this will be good. I was thinking of adding another layer of tape. Now at first I was thinking of using these flowers and just kind of spreading them around, but they would be squished down too much, I think. So then I have these ones that Sheila McNabb gave me. So I was thinking of putting that in there. But this button is, and it has little dots on there. I think it would break this acetate on there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to see if I can take this flower or this button off. And then I'm going to replace it with something else that's not quite as, that doesn't have the little pokers on there. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to take this sticky thing off too. And I have my hot glue gun plugged in. So I'm going to use one of these little diamonds. I have no idea where I got them. My hands are full of ink, so that's what I've been doing, inking stuff. Yeah, but I'm going to put that in the middle, and I think that's going to look really cute. So I have my hot glue gun here, and I'm just going to put a dab in the middle there, and then glue that on and just push it down. There we go. And then I got to figure out where I want the flower and where I want the butterfly. And I'm gonna, okay, so that this little wire just comes right out of the butterfly. So I'm gonna figure out where I want the butterfly and where I want the flower. So I think that's good. I think I like that. Like so. Okay, so I'm gonna stick those on. Put some glue on. And this glue gun always drips and drips and drips. If you guys know of a glue gun that does not drip, I would gladly get it, because this thing has annoyed me so many times by dripping on something that I don't want it to drip on. So I'm just going to put it like this. Yeah. Oh, that is so cute. I was thinking of putting a word in there, but if I need to put a word on, I can always do it from the outside. So this will go on here. Now you have to make sure that your window is clean. So where did my paper towel go? I did clean it with Windex. Okay, yeah, mine is clean. I just cleaned it with Windex. So now we are going to, okay, what's my next process? I have my shaker bits that I want. Now, I don't know, do I want the small ones, the medium ones, or the big ones, or a bit of all of them? I don't know. I think the small ones. I will try the small ones anyway. I'm gonna unplug my glue gun here so it stops dripping. I was just thinking of putting, nah, I'll just make it like this. This will be good. Okay, so I'm gonna take this tape off so that I have it ready to glue on. Okay. Now, these are quite big, so I don't think they'll creep out anywhere. And like I said, I've never done this before, so I don't know how much to add. Let's see how many we will add. You think that's good? Yeah, I think that's good. I think that is plenty. And yeah, see, here we go. Okay, now for the tricky part. To get it on the way I want it. Yay, I think I got it. Okay, yeah, I might have to do some cutting here, but that's okay. Oh my goodness. That is fantastic. I love it. I love it, love it. Perfect. So this is going to be a beautiful journal. And now I'm just going to cut this off. And just draw my scissor while I'm at it. Oh, why don't we use this big one? And yes, crafting is messy, but this is so fun. Oh my goodness. And it's so easy. I found it so easy to do. So just put it on the side here. And see, if you don't get it exactly, it's okay. You can just go in and cut that off. There we go. And I'm sure I'll be putting something on the back here yet as I do my journal. And there we go. That is my journal cover. I'm sure I'll be doing other things to the front yet. And I will take you along for that. Maybe I'll do a series on these. I've been in on a kick of making journal covers. I did a couple of Golden Book journal covers. I haven't been working on the journal itself, but I have been making the covers. So they are ready to go once I'm ready. And there you go. What do you think? There's a couple sticking to the sides, but that's okay. I think I put the right amount in and everything. And maybe I'll put a word here, like maybe floral or something like that. Very nice. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like stuff like this. This was completely out of my comfort zone. I've never made one of these before. And yeah, I'm going to be shaking this for a while. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye. God bless.